Broadcast. All right, we're streaming. I'll send this over to Lore. She'll let us know if the audio is good, and we'll have our first viewer. Then we'll try to hold him back. Don't want to, overrun the servers at YouTube.
Yeah, I'm
Um,
sure they cause
so
a problem.
so this is fun. I feel like as time goes on, there will be more and more instances where whoever I'm talking to already knows what vibe coding is a little bit, and I feel like you're pretty naive to it, and so I'm really excited to get into it. But essentially, vibe coding is using so like instead of talking to ChatGPT and having it write just natural language like a hey, I'm using it as a thought partner, it just writes code. And as it turns out, it's really good at writing code because basically the entire internet is code. It's more code
Yeah.
than it is natural language. So it's very good at writing code. And it turns out all software is just code. From your email to video games to whatever it is.
Yeah.
That's what it is. So we're going to be building a Flappy Bird. The very first thing I like to do, and you just want a cookie cutter Flappy Bird? What are you thinking? We have unlimited customizability here. We're going to start a session with Claude, and we're going to have it ask us some questions, and to help us generate a vibe coding prompt to build the game. So, I'm going to say it with my brother and I want to build a Flappy Bird game, vibe coding it. Would you mind helping us define what we want to do so that we can generate a prompt to vibe code the entire game? Ask us questions to clarify the scope. So we'll go ahead and we'll have this just work on 4.6 Opus, but not with extended thinking. This is a pretty simple game we're building. But Claude is one of the best language models at building or vibe coding anything. Like it's the top dog in code right now. All right.
Claude, is it CLAUDE?
Yes, Claude.ai. So it's just another chatbot exactly like Gemini or OpenAI or ChatGPT.
Yeah.
All right. So what platform you're building this? Well, we just want to run it in the browser. So it's gonna be a web-based game. We'll probably just use the space bar. We could take it mobile next week. So how close to the original Flappy Bird do you want? Do you want a faithful clone, the same mechanics but custom theme and art? It's pretty fun. There's some websites for generating custom like pixel art, inspired by it with new twists, or just the core concept. Go wild.
I want it to I want it to connect with life so that there are like actual consequences. Like if I lose, my savings is gone.
Like I want to basically hook up a shock collar to my neck, and if I hit one of those pipes, I'm electrocuted. And over the course of a 1 hour session, each time I'm electrocuted, it gets worse and worse. All right. So sounds like same mechanics, custom theme and art.
Yeah, I want the bird to be customizable.
Okay, cool. Then we'll do same mechanics, custom bird. All right. What features matter to you? Score tracking and high score. Sound effects, music. Difficulty. I've never generated music before. It seems like a wild card to be doing on a live stream, but I'm down for it. Difficulty progression or multiplayer. Multiplayer seems challenging.
Yeah, I'm not.
And I can't even really envision what it would be like.
Nor do I want to.
Yeah, okay. So,
I mean, it's all moving the exact same time.
So it's a given. Score tracking and high score is essential.
Yes.
It would be fun to explore sound effects and music. Like, I think that
Like every
that would
single
be
time
fun.
you die, it's that one sound effect from Star Wars. Yeah.
The Wilhelm scream is Wilhelm scream open domain?
Good question.
Public domain, good question. The Wilhelm scream is generally considered to be in the public domain or freely available for use, specifically after the original 1951 sound recording was donated to the USC School of Cinematic Arts and later released under a CC 0 1.0 universal dedication. Heck yeah. Yeah, we're going to be adding that. Fantastic. Now, do we want difficulty progression? I don't think that's a part of the normal game. It's just how long can you do it?
Yeah.
Do we want to add difficulty progression?
Difficulty progression being like the height of the.
Well, it'd be two things. It's either going faster or the gaps are getting smaller.
Yes.
We can add it later.
Progression of
Yeah. Okay. Let's just stick with score tracking, high score, and sound effects and music.
Perfect.
I want to see. I'm gonna share my screen. Oh crap! All right, here we've been doing this all in Claude Code. So I was not sharing my screen. I will share my screen with you. Let's make sure.
Yeah, I was about to ask.
Let me sure. So I wasn't sharing it with the audience either. Okay, but now I'm sharing it on both. Okay, perfect. You can see the screen?
Yeah.
All right, what tool are you vibe coding in? Let's see. Gonna be in VS Code using Codex. Codex is.
Yeah, this is my dog.
Oh, hi Milo. It's Milo, right?
Milo. Yes.
I'm thinking, for what vibe are you going for with this custom theme art? Pixel art. Well, I'm gonna say pixel art retro. I'm gonna say we want to. Let's see. We will upload our own sprite for the bird. Use a placeholder. Make everything else a pretty faithful recreate. All right. So we're just going through these questions. We asked Claude to ask us some questions. Ooh, Lauren said it. Audio sounds great so far. Great. Can I thumbs up her or something? She's our #1 contributor. That's awesome. All right. So, how do you want the code structured? Let's go small project with separate files. Okay. So, you're just having a conversation exactly like you would with ChatGPT, but basically, it's helping you define both the front end and the back end of the video game. And what's cool is you just do this with anything, any software you want to build, any data analytics dashboard you want to build, and it builds it. Like I'm really excited for us to get to it. Let me show what it can do in like a really simple one.
Is it free?
Claude is $20. Well, you have pretty limited use on free, but this is.
Well, yeah.
But think about it. Any large language model can do this. So like ChatGPT can do this. Gemini can do this. Like whatever chatbot you talk to can do this. Claude is just right now the best one, and Claude was founded by some of the people who founded OpenAI. Okay, so we're just going to say create an HTML snake game. That's the only instruction we're going to give it, and we're just going to say go. And it's going to start cooking. This is another instance of the same app, or of the same thing. Okay, we got it. All right, so it basically created instructions for Codex to build it. So what we're going to do is we are going to copy it. We're just going to copy it. We're going to open up VS Code. You ever use VS Code? So VS Code is let's see. It's basically just a space where you can edit code.
It's called, what is it?
Visual Studio Code. It's free and I don't know if it's open source, but it's put out by Microsoft. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open a folder. We're just gonna create a new one. We're gonna go to Documents, and this is just a normal old folder, and we're gonna call it Flappy Bird. So one of the coolest things that like AI is capable of doing right now that is beyond just working with ChatGPT is you can basically direct it to a set of files and it can work with those files. It can edit them, it can change those files, and it can read them. Um,
Okay, so can you start back over? So essentially, the plot is creating the framework for coding for us to then be able to put into the visual studio.
yes. So, Visual Studio Code, this is a great question. It's a place where you can edit code. But since the advent of AI, they have added chat models to the
Mhm.
software as kind of like a plugin. So I just created this folder. And so over here on the left side, you have basically just an empty folder. Once we have files, they'll
Mhm.
be added here. And then over here, we have the chat. So we have Claude Code, which is Claude's coding agent, right? So it's just the same chatbot that we were just using, Opus 4.6. But it has special instructions and permissions where it can go and edit and create files in this folder. And then we come over to Codex. This is OpenAI's version of the same thing. It's ChatGPT, but it has special permissions to create and edit files
Okay.
in this Flappy Bird file that we just created. So what we're going to do is Claude just created those instructions. And for vibe coding of the actual
Give me
app.
2 seconds. Can I have a question before I
Oh
forget.
yeah, dude, ask as many questions as you want. That's the whole purpose of this. We want to
All right.
show people that anyone can do this and it's approachable. So ask away.
Um, so I just created um, a training video module
Yes, sir.
for work. Let's say I want to put that file into here and say, can at this certain section adjust it to have these two separate. I'm losing the words, but two separate attributes.
What attributes are you thinking? I mean, you can speak in
I'm
general
thinking
terms. Like, is it a graphic that you want to do? Is it editing the video? What is it? Or is
it's
it?
editing the video so that it matches graphics.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, it's definitely doable. The question is, can you build
What to put in.
basically a skill? So there are these really cool things, and I don't want to dive into it too much. But basically, I'm working with just an empty file over here.
Yeah.
But what if there was an instructions folder, and it just had a bunch of instructions on how to edit videos in the way that you're thinking? So if you had a set of instructions on how to do it that ChatGPT or Claude could follow, then you could put them in an instructions folder and say, "Hey, look at this video and look at my instructions. Do this and this to the video." And then it would do it. And it's only going to be as good as those instructions are,
Yeah.
but it can write the instructions itself and you can just iterate on it. So you could say, edit this video, and then it'll do it, and then you'll say, it didn't work quite right. I need to change those instructions. And so you have a conversation with Claude or with ChatGPT to enhance those instructions, and you do that 5 or 6 times until you get the instructions exactly what you like, exactly what you want. And those are called agent skills. It's insane what you can accomplish with them. Like, it's very, very cool. Well, first, I want to go take a look at our snake game. Okay, so this is our snake game. It's done. I'm playing a snake game, and I gave it a 5-word instruction. It just built this from scratch.
That's crazy.
I could publish this on a website right now, and like people would be able to play it exactly how I'm playing it right now. It's pretty responsive. Like, it's pretty snappy. It feels good. So what we're asking it to do, right? So this one, you could just execute a really short one-shot prompt because it's simple enough. But as you may have noticed with AI, the more complex something is, the more instructions you need to give it so that
For
it can
sure.
have a reliable output, right? So I'll let myself die. I swear I did that on purpose.
Yeah. Okay.
So now I said, well, okay, this one, if we don't give it enough direction, it could just go off the rails and build a piece of garbage. So we want to think about this carefully, okay? So I had it put together these more detailed instructions given the feedback that we want, right? So now I have those copied to the clipboard, and so I'm just going to come in here, and I'm going to copy and paste them right here. So now this is our initial message. So we're just going to send one message. So instead of a 5-word instruction, build me an HTML snake game, we're going to say, build this whole thing with all of these instructions, and now it's going to get to work. And remember, because we opened it up in Flappy Bird, like that's the code space that we're working in. Yep. In that folder, it's kind of its working space. So we have given it full access. It has unlimited permissions. So we're going to say...
So could I could have a list of different videos that, you know, for just examples, sake, training videos and stuff like that. I could have it search the entire file, all of the videos, and then essentially give it instruction to make it, in whatever I put in here, uniformed with everything that I have in there.
Be more specific. Like you want to... you want to brand them, or you want to have like an intro or outro. Tell me more. I'm not very experienced in making videos, despite what you might believe from this banging live stream setup.
Let's say that I've got different graphics, and just for the sake of the hypothetical, and how do I want to say it? I guess, yeah. Intro, outro. Could you elaborate on that?
Okay, so you have a file, right, that has video 1, video 2, video 3, dare I say, video 4, right? So you have a folder right here, right? And you're wanting to add basically, let's say, you want to do like a bulk edit of them.
Yeah.
Where you have an intro and an outro. Is that the official term? I wouldn't be surprised, but I would also... Yeah. Okay.
Intro and outros.
Did I spell that right?
I don't know. I've never seen it spelled.
All right. So we have an intro and an outro. This is what we're trying to create. Yeah, definitely. So again, this comes back to the skills. So if you just asked, like, let's make ChatGPT blue. So if you just ask ChatGPT to do it, it has no access to these files, or you could upload them. But uploading full videos, I don't even think you can, first of all, to like ChatGPT. I don't think you can upload videos. But what if like the video is an hour long? Uploading that to the context of a chatbot, it's not going to go well. It's just gonna overwhelm it and then completely fill up the context. So it's not going to work. So, and what if you're just using this natural language bot to let's say you gave it permission, like, hey, you have permission to touch these videos, and maybe you have an intro video and you have an outro video, and you just say, hey, I want to tack these on to the beginning and to the end of all of the videos in this folder. Here's my intro video, here's my outro video. I'm pretty sure it could do it, like 80% sure. But what I was emphasizing before is basically like this intermediate step. And this is what I was talking about with skills. So you can have a adding intro and outro skill. So basically, let's say if we want to add an intro and outro programmatically, let's say it requires a little bit of Python code. Well, we could have it write the Python code every single time we ask it to do this, or we can create a skill and that includes in the instructions, right, in this adding an intro and outro skill, hey, here's the Python code that Sean likes to use to add an intro and outro video to his video. So basically, you send a message. Let's see, Sean's message. You send it to ChatGPT, and it looks and it says, "Oh, Sean told me to use the intro outro skill. Let me look through all of my skills and find it." Then it's like you were a video editing expert and you were the one prompting ChatGPT on how to do it. So, absolutely. And this is like architecturally how it would work. And this is how I would recommend doing it. So you're Sean, you have a message, you know, you have an idea of what these skills are, but all you have to do is talk to ChatGPT with natural language, tell it which skill to use, and tell it, hey, here's my intro outro video, and here's all the videos I want you to add to. And then it would do it. And it would do it in minutes. Yeah, that's a perfect use case. Say you were doing this every single week. I mean, I'd hope that you're better at editing videos so that it's just a part of your workflow.
I'm pretty good. Like...
But I mean, I don't know about video editing workflows, right? After this is done, I'm gonna pay somebody $25 on Fiverr to edit this video into a 20-minute video, so that I can post it on my YouTube. I'm not gonna edit it. I don't want to brag like my time is that valuable, but I don't know how to do it. So, yeah, you can definitely do it. And I would love to hop on a call where we're just talking skills, because that's kind of a hot thing in work right now, or in AI right now, is building agentic skills. Because imagine this. What if you had a collection of 100 skills, and one skill was referencing 2 or 3 other skills? You could basically just say, edit my video. And there's a skill that removes all of the blank noise. And there is one that identifies which, like say you repeat something 3 times, it identifies which one is the best.
Redundancies.
And then picks it. Right? So what if you had 3 skills? One was, editing out redundancies, one was editing out blank space, and then one was adding the intro and outro. What you could say is, use my video editing skills to edit this video. And that's all you have to say. You drag and drop your video, or you just reference it in the chat, and you say, edit my video using my video editing skills. Dude, 100%. And generate a YouTube thumbnail, because I have a YouTube generating skill. Like, that's the direction that AI is going, and that a lot of people don't know about yet, is that it can take over really individual tasks, but be completely incorporated into your ecosystem. And then you can combine all of those tasks together to perform full jobs. You can also build into a skill like, hey, ask for my approval after this point, so that it's not just running off the rails. Yeah. All right, let's check out our game. Okay, let's see. Swap in a custom sprite. It says, looks like it should be done. We're just going to ask, is the game ready to test? Absolutely, yes. So we're just going to say, run it. It's going to tell us, hey, do this and do that. But we're just going to tell it to run it. We could type in npx serve space period, but we're just going to have it do it. So it's going to execute it right now. So we're going to be able to open this web address, which is just a local port on my computer. And then we'll be able to start playing. It's been done for a while. I wonder how long. Let's see. It worked for 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Is there any more to say about it? This is all the stuff that it did. Very, very cool. In Replit, it's really cool. It tells you how much it cost. So it'll say it worked for 2 minutes and 42 seconds, and it cost $1.57. Like, it's very cool how transparent it is. Oops. Let's see how far along we are. Let's see if it's already running it. Ooh, okay. Looks pretty good. We're keeping with the mobile platform. All right, I can just click. All right, I'm liking this, but there's definitely... Oh, those are some slow pipes. And they're a little too close together. Okay. Well, I mean, Okay, I mean, I wanted to try to get there, but there's no way I'm getting through. Like, okay, let's get there so that I can screenshot a picture of it, so that I can send it to chat. Oh, I want to mute it. That's annoying now.
What does it sound like?
It's like beep, 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 beep. Each time I press it. Let me go to my... I'm going to share my desktop audio with you. Okay, do you think this is enough context for ChatGPT to know what's wrong? If I take a screenshot now? Let's try.
Yeah, because I think it's just gonna be the.
All right.
Milo, hi.
Okay. So we're gonna screenshot this picture, and we're gonna say it is moving outrageously slow. And all the pipes are touching each other. Space them out and make it make the screen run by much faster. Make it scroll much faster. And then we'll add a screenshot. We'll add a file. We'll go to pictures. I'll just pull that off screen. I don't know what's in my screenshots.
Yeah, you can. Okay, so sorry, I just downloaded Visual Code.
Oh, you just downloaded VS Code? You can do this in several different IDEs. You don't have to. So this is called an integrated development environment, and it's just a place where you can write code. So if you
for sure,
right, you're interested in getting into data analytics. Most data analytics is done in Python and R. Most statistics are. And you can have it write.
Which I've done.
Python.
I've worked in R before.
So you can have it write R code. Anyway, I just said it moves outrageously slow, and all the pipes are touching each other. Space them out and make it scroll much faster. And then I added a screenshot of the issue. So we're gonna send it, and I think it's gonna fix it. Now let's go generate a cuter bird. And let's go look at the sprite that it created. Let's see. All right. So this is the bird that it gave us. All right. I think we can generate a cuter bird than that. So let's go with AI generated pixel art. I don't remember the name of the website I used last time, but I'll know it when I see it. I think it was called Lula. It's not feeling good yet. All right. AI pixel art. Pixel sprite generator. For some reason, it's called Ludo. There we go. Ludo.ai. Try for free. I believe I'm still on a free trial. I really hope that I am. If not, I might have to pivot my career to make the most of this. Awesome. So, image generator. I had it create some cacti for my game last week that I was building.
Oh, is that go down? Go down real quick.
It's not Charizard.
Is that Greymon?
Oh, I see what you're saying. It's gosh, that movie is one of the best movies ever.
I was just talking about that to a friend. I was like, I watched it like a year ago.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, so I was thinking about what to get Blake after he made our first sale, because he just kind of buys whatever he wants. So you have to get him something that's really like unique. And so I had two thoughts. I could get him a Neelan Solutions t-shirt, of which we have had zero discussion about making, or I could get him that DVD, which I looked up on Amazon a while ago. But anyway, how should we describe what we want to create? Here, I'll go to my animations. So we have this guy. and he needs to run and he needs to jump, right? So the kids also wanted him to dance. This is what he looks like
That's
dancing.
cute.
This is what he looks like jumping, and this is what he looks like running. So when we play the dino jumping game over the cacti, that's what. So this is what he looks like running, and this is what he looks like when he jumps. He does not dance in the game. Maybe there's some level that he gets to where, hey, I've made it this far. I'm gonna celebrate. So, what do you got?
Want to create a. What are the. Sorry, I've done a lot of thinking today.
No, you're good, dude. We could just say, um,
Yeah.
create a pixel art. Um, what's something really silly? What kind of bird?
Ostrich.
How do you? I mean, how do you spell ostrich? Here's what we're gonna do.
OST.
Ostrich. Oh, perfect. All right, let's generate it. Let's see how we're doing with the game. Okay. Ooh. It's looking pretty good.
I want. I want
see.
the.
With scrunched up legs.
Yeah. And a big head.
We want it because we want it to be more of a square, so that it's like the little,
Yeah.
it's like the little bird. Okay, let's refresh our game and see how it did. Is it still working on it? It's not looking good. It's not looking good. I'm gonna say run it.
Run it back.
All right, he fixed the movement to use date time. All right. So it's 60 times faster. That's good. So it's in 60 frames per second, matching the bird physics. That's very good. All right, awesome. Server is started in the background. All right, let's open this thing. Yeah, right. All right, let's try this again. It says the site cannot be found. ...
Explain yourself.
Now, I'm surprised. Freaking run it, dude. So there are some that are more autonomous. Let's check and see how our ostrich looks. That looks better.
It does.
All right, let's do it. Do you want him? I mean, do you want a little like cowboy on his back?
Honestly, yeah. I was thinking it'd be kind of funny if he had like a little holster and I don't know, he was carrying something like outrageous, like a pack of cigarettes.
So I think smoking a cigarette or holding a gun. Let's see.
Yeah. Why not both?
I did check the box that says this is not made for children.
Okay, cool. It's so funny.
All right, let's see what we got coming up. Now let's check on the status of the game. All right. I'm saying run it. Run it, run it, run it. So sometimes, if you don't carefully set up the environment that it's working in, when it's running commands in in your computer environment, it doesn't always. All right, I like this one a lot. I wish the gun was facing the forward direction, but I do like this one a lot.
I like the face on that.
Let's see. Let's go compact square for Flappy Bird style game. Let's see what we get if we do that. I may be bumping into our credits. Look, I think it's gonna have to be our last generation. I'm gonna run out of my free trial, but this is a solid website because it will both generate your character and it will animate it.
This is hilarious.
All right, so now let's go back to okay. Now it's on. If you want, I can also switch you to a simpler server that won't conflict. Let's see. I tried, but the server command keeps timing out on my side because it never exits. It's a long-running process. Yeah. Let's go more simple. Run the Python command. There are apps that are very, very cool, and actually I'm just going to go ahead and copy this whole thing. Actually, I'll go back to Claude and do it. So there's a website. If this whole working in VS Code isn't your flavor, there are vibe coding platforms that... Here, let me make sure I'm in the right one. Okay. Okay, they have a new agent. I've been hearing about that. Okay, so we're in Patrick's workspace. We're going to create something new. We are going to create... Ooh, we're just gonna copy and paste our instructions again. And we're going to go for it. So this is where it's like all of the permissions and working in the chat, or sorry, with your terminal and everything. It's all integrated. It's just going to build it. So that's pretty cool. Here we still have to finagle a few things, like telling it, "Hey, freaking run it, man! Try harder." All right. This is actually the most trouble it's ever given me with starting such a simple app. Let's see how much better Replit can do. Oh, their new UI is interesting. This is Agent 4. Builds in parallel, design on an infinite canvas. Ooh, I don't know if I want an infinite canvas. That's kind of a lot. All right. Hey! I mean, that's pretty good. Change pose.
That is pretty good.
Let's see.
We want it going to the...
Yeah, we want it going to the right. Let's see. Let's see. I don't know if I want to rotate it. I want to, flip it,
Yeah.
Let's see. So we can edit
Like
the
a mirror
image.
image.
Mirror this horizontally. Yeah, let's give it a shot. And let's see how Replit's doing. It's still working on multiple tasks in parallel. That's their new thing. All right. Let's see. Why does it keep running out? I don't know. So we're going to say... all right, let's go to the terminal. I hate doing this. Well, let's go ahead. We'll open up the game that we just built. We'll go to Flappy Bird. We're going to open this in our terminal. And we are going to execute the code that they told us to execute. We're going to type in npx serve. All right, this port was picked because 3000 is in use. Copied local address to clipboard. All right, let's check it out. All right. It looks like it's moving much faster now. Oh freaking heck.
It's been a while. It's been about 10 years.
Hey, that's not bad. Okay. Now, I want to try to articulate how good this is. It feels so good.
Yeah.
It's not like it's just very responsive. Like it feels like a high quality video game. And gee, it looks pretty good. Like the sound effects are very good. All right. So, let's see. That's really good. Ooh, okay, okay. Here's what we just built in Replit. Let's see what we do. Hey, that's first go at it. And that's very good. Does he look kind of like a lemon?
Like a golden potato.
All right, so this one I can just publish right now, and you can play on your computer.
Cool.
Oh, I was gonna say, but not until I die. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We are gonna say publish now. The fun thing is that we just put these on our website. Let me see if this rings a bell for you. This is called tankwars.newlandsolutions.com, and this one we can play simultaneously. So, obviously my name's Pat. Create room. Go ahead and go to tankwars.newlandsolutions.com, and then press join a room. I can add it to the chat if you want. But you can also, you know how to spell Newland Solutions. But yeah, tankwars.newlandsolutions.com. Join a room. The code is 44SRX. Heck yeah. So, built this game the exact same way. Looks like you're first.
Okay, hold on.
You gotta use your mouse to control everything.
Okay.
You got 10 seconds.
Oh, shoot.
You'll automatically shoot straight up. Dude, you just sniped me. Also, one important thing, you have wind to negotiate with.
Oh, shoot.
Which is not, a part of the game that we played. So, yeah, you might get me again without having to move, but the wind might get you. Also, you can select different ammunition. You got 10 seconds.
I'm.
You have a disadvantage. It's a little bit harder to control. Okay, so wind 5. I was a little short last time. We're going up, up, up. Yeah. So Blake and I were playing. Well, he was trying to get us to play Mario Tennis on the GameCube while they were in India and we're here, and we were having a lot of troubles. Oh shoot, as you might expect. And so I just said, hey, I can just build this video game while Blake's trying to troubleshoot this. So I built this while he was playing the other game. Now, Flappy Bird is officially...
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, you went a little over on that one.
Oh, so you just get unlimited rollers and it just goes?
Oh yeah, there's this game is not is bad. Well, I designed it. It could be a lot more balanced. But
I like that you don't get unlimited rollers though.
Yeah, you only get 2 of each of the specialty ones, except for the shotgun. You get 3. Okay, 0 wind. I gotta go up a little bit. Oh, I like that. I like that. Oh! Dude, with you sniping me on that first shot, I thought this game was all yours. Yeah, you got to make a note of the wind.
See, I'm trying to remember. Did it go over last time?
Way over last time.
And there's wind against me.
Ooh, that was a waste of a big shot.
It sure was.
Let's see if I can just do the same one as last time. I have a little more wind. Let's go up 2, Winner, winner. No! I was about to say winner, winner, chicken dinner. You have 1 health. And 22 seconds to fire.
Just kidding me.
That was
Came back and hit
you
me.
had 10-mile-an-hour winds coming against you.
Yeah, but like, hold on.
How? How? That's surprising.
I'm not gonna overshoot it.
Yeah, you almost got me on that one.
Well, I should have moved. I just shotgun your face. Like how?
Ooh! That was a very close. I'm vulnerable, but I've got a much clearer shot at you than I did last time. Yeah, the sniper is like what you would expect. It's very straight, long shot. Like I shot full strength straight at you and it went just over you. Congratulations. That was so unexpected. I thought I had it locked in.
I did
that,
too.
that was a really good shot without having any like testing shot of that weapon. So nice job. So yeah, after we build this Flappy Bird game, we can just launch it. Okay, I want you to share your screen. I am going to. Let's see. Yes. Okay. That's the one. Actually, I wonder what this looks like on mobile. But I'll just copy this. I'll send it over in our chat. Okay. So now, if you share your screen, I can watch you play it. Yes. Hot diggity dog. You can use the space bar or the mouse clicker. This isn't because it doesn't feel good. It feels good, right?
Oh yeah, no, it does.
It's been a while.
It's been like 10 years.
I really like the look of this one. I think that this one looks a little bit more refined in some ways.
God.
All right, let's see if he can get to 5. And let's see. All right. And
Okay,
let's.
I clicked, but whatever. There was the extra click. It's super delayed. You should probably check up on that.
Yeah, exactly what I thought. It can't handle this well.
Nice.
Oh, dude, I should plug in my like Xbox controller and see how it does. Probably pretty good. You saw, I think I got to 11.
Well, okay. I'm playing Spacebar now.
Spacebar's way easier.
Yeah,
No, you gotta get used to it though.
uh,
Does it have sound?
I don't know if I have it on.
Dude, hot dog, 4. Nice job. Hey, what if we played like Flappy Bird Roulette? Now let me pitch this to you.
Hold on.
Man, you've got it figured out.
Ah, okay. Well done.
So, Flappy Bird Roulette. We have it generate this exact same game, but everyone enters like a room, right? Like a lobby, just like we did in the tank game. But what happens is everyone is prompted to enter 3 increasingly embarrassing facts about themselves. So like then it's set up, it's a screen share for whoever is playing. Okay, so whoever's turn it is, they're the one where it's hosted, it's controlled, and they go, right? And so then everyone goes through a single pass like run, and whoever gets last place, their least embarrassing fact is revealed on the screen to everyone playing. And it just goes through until I would imagine
You publicly humiliate.
well, I was gonna say the first person who has all 3 of theirs revealed. Which I'd imagine if it was us and our brothers and Dad, I would imagine Dad would be the worst at this game.
Yeah.
All right, you can stop sharing your screen. Let's see how my stuff is doing. Perfect. Okay. We can get rid of that. That's how that's going. Let's check on our... Oof! That's not great. That's not great. There's got to be an easier way to do this. Change pose. So it has so many options, okay? 180 degrees. No. Like...
So...
Let's go with... Oh, no, I don't want it that. Let's see. Edit image. This one I like a lot.
Me too.
Let's see. Make the bird face the right. Change nothing else. I think I'm going to have to pay for some credits if we want this thing to be animated. That's a good looking one, though.
Agreed. Don't want to mess with him.
Not at all. Oh, heck yeah. We've got it in the bag. Okay. Yeah. We like this one. Okay. So, now we're going to go to the sprite generator. It is time. No, we don't upload. Where are we at? Where are we at? We should just go right here. We should say generate sprite sheet. Heck yeah. Okay. Bouncing up and down like the Flappy bird. That's probably good. And it doesn't have to be long. It can be 1.2 seconds. Alright. Alright. This action will consume 5 credits and we only have 4 credits. What? No! No! I knew. I didn't know this was going to happen. Here's what we're going to do.
I knew I shouldn't have done the dancing.
Here's what we're going to do, though. What we're going to do is I am going to download this one. Okay. You're going to sign up for a free trial. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to email this to you.
How many credits do you get?
You get like 30?
This better be one.
Alright, let's go with 2 Shanin88. Oh gosh, I'll try to blur that out. Just kidding. Everyone can see it. Flappy Bird.
Oh yeah, thanks.
Okay, then we'll attach. Trust me, this is the kind of fame you want. Okay, I sent it over. Now I'll also send over the URL for the website. And this
I'm already on it.
All right. Then share your screen.
Get signed up right now.
Share your screen, dude. We wanna see this happen.
You want to see me verify and register?
Well, we want to see you go navigate the app. Hang on. Okay, perfect. You don't. Let's see. All right. Generate sprite sheets. That's what you want to do. Yeah. Would you consider yourself a student, a hobbyist, or a game developer? That's good. That's good. What if it gave you just an entire different like toolkit? Like we could not find the sprite generator now.
Then what? You told us.
Like what? You told us. Oh, that's good. Nice. Okay, so go to the sprite generator on the left. Now, you're gonna do animate. So you're gonna choose an image, but you need to go download the image.
Yeah, he's going now.
You have 30 credits. That's pretty impressive. I only have 4. Oh, dude, I should have sent you a referral code. Then I could have gotten a couple more.
Yeah, that's on you.
I think that one of us would have to be paying for that referral code to kick in.
Alright, let's see. Oh my gosh, that's what this is.
You finding it?
Yeah, it's just needed to download.
All right, sick. Signing into YouTube so I can communicate in the chat.
There we go.
Okay, so now try to say exactly what I said.
What was it?
This is your first vibe coding. Well, it's not probably not coding. This is so change it to 1.2 seconds, and just say bouncing like the bird in Flappy Bird. All right, just 5 credits. Be careful, okay? You don't want to use them up too fast. You might find yourself,
And quite.
well, you might find yourself on a live stream with your friends, and you're trying to create a cool video game, and then smack!
I don't have rollover minutes. I'm gonna have to go here in a minute because it's almost. Over here, it's 10:33.
Okay, well let's freaking get this.
Let's get this done.
Let's get this in there, and have you play with the actual guy, because that's what's missing from your experience right now. So yeah, it'll create a sprite sheet, which will be basically it jumps, right? And so between it jumping, there's like 5 different stages in the animation. So go down to it, and it should show. Look at the smoke from the cigarette. Okay, that's better than expected. Okay, download the sprite sheet and email it to me.
Okay. Wait, where was that?
Let's see.
There it is.
Yes, sir. That's great.
That's hilarious.
Nice.
I'm gonna stop sharing.
Okay. Ooh, new passkey added. All right.
Sent.
All right, I'll be waiting for it. You sent it to the pad at Neon Solutions.
Yeah, I just replied.
Okay, sweet. Let's see what we got here. Oh, wait on it. All right, there we go. Sprite sheet, download. Okay, so now I'll come in here and I'll go back to the chat and I'll say, please update the bird with this new bouncing sprite sheet. Okay, so now I'll upload a file. I'll upload that sprite sheet that you just sent, which is like 16 images of the same bird over and over again. Okay, now we'll push it. And
Can you share your screen?
yes, sir. Sorry about that. Okay, so I just uploaded it there, but then I want to do it here too. Please update with this sprite sheet. So here I'm actually just going to drag and drop the file.
Mm-hmm.
Because it's a little bit easier, so we'll just we'll add it to the sprites. Okay, and then we'll just copy the relative path so that we can call it. We'll describe it. Assets, sprites, sprite max page, pixel 25 PNG. Okay, we'll send it. Fantastic. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Okay, so now it's working through it on Replit. Fantastic. And then let's see if we can find a Wilhelm scream. Okay. All right. Do we want a WAV or a MP3? Probably an MP3. Smaller. Your download will start automatically. I hope this doesn't install a virus on my computer. Perfect. Okay. So now we're going to come here. And we're going to say, all right, Vite's hot. Reload should apply changes automatically. What the heck? Well, first of all, it looks great. It's working through it. It's working through some bugs right now. Okay. Fantastic. Okay, I checked this. So I need guidance on how to slice it, frame width. Gosh. I mean, this is what it looks like. Let's see. There's 25 and there's 5 by 5. See, it's asking for guidance. The other one... Okay, now it's done. First of all, I was trying to play it while it wasn't done. All right! And it's smoking the whole time. It's actually working through, like, it puffing up each time. Oh. I'm going to say, can we make him 10% smaller? This is hard.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. But I want to add the Wilhelm scream. Please add this Wilhelm scream for when he dies. Okay, we'll upload a file. And dude, this will cap it off. This will be, we got a custom bird that's smoking and it's hilarious. And we're going to have the Wilhelm scream when he dies. Okay, perfect. Got it 5 by 5 grid. Perfect. Let's see. Let's see. Please use all 25 frames. Okay. Now I'll add the sound of the game. I'll create a small audio module and trigger it when the bird dies. Fantastic. I don't know if this one has preset audio. The other one does, and I like it. Like, the audio is good on the other one. Ooh, so we can see...
I got the 24.
So this is what's cool. You got the 2 you're playing right now? I was wondering. You were a little quiet. So here's what's cool. So I said, please update the bird with the new bouncing sprite sheet, right? It took 2 minutes to do that, and it cost 50 cents. So, like, I think that helps you start to conceptualize, hey, this thing that I would have had to go onto Fiverr and paid somebody probably $50 to generate these, and then a developer to, like, incorporate them, this would have taken me several hours. It took us like 5 minutes, and it cost 50 cents to add a custom smoking ostrich with a gun. It's pretty amazing.
Well, it cost me 5 credits, so...
Yeah, nothing's free. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna publish it because I'm not hearing any audio. But let's go back to our local build and see how it did. Okay. Let's refresh it. All right. Yes, perfect. Ooh, nice. Okay, fantastic. Okay,
Funny.
so now, let's see. We're gonna go into VS Code. We're gonna say perfect. Please add this Wilhelm screen. Wilhelm scream when he hits the pipe. And
Or the ground.
start. No, it's funnier if it's when he hits the pipe because then it starts
Yeah.
right away and it has the scream while he's falling. I thought about that just now. I was thinking. I think because I was like, what? How am I going to describe this? And yeah, perfect. All right. And then it like caught me the relative path. Perfect. Please add this Wilhelm screen. Okay. So now we can go back to Replit, check and see how it's doing. Okay, it said that it published it. Let's go and check it out. Okay, this bird is looking good.
Can't hear it.
So hang on. I'll change it. Hang on. Yeah, I'll share the screen. I'll share the audio. Okay. Let me do this. Okay, share audio outputs. Yes. Okay, screen. Perfect. All right, you ready for this? Well, you're playing the game now, so you can just refresh your game, but watch mine. Okay. Okay, so now let's check it out. Let's check it out here. Okay. Love that choice. Wilhelm screen is in, wired in. Okay. Then let's go check it out here. That's not as good. This is the one we want.
Okay. What if
You got the audio on this now?
background music is Danger Zone?
You got the audio here?
Yeah.
Okay. I like the size of this one better. You can't see the ostrich as well, but it's much easier
Makes
to
the
play.
gameplay easier.
Yeah, the other one it was just a little, and it's as easy as it'll probably cost 15 cents to fix it, and we can just say make the bird 10% smaller, and it'll go in and do that. Because I think this one could even be like 10% bigger, actually. Silver. Ooh, that's cool. All right, I'm going to do one last change, and then you're free to go. But let's see. Make the bird 10% bigger. But I love that you were asking questions about your work, okay? So we should do another session. First, yeah, I love these. I probably have to, if we're going to do games often, I'll probably have to subscribe to that website.
I mean, I'm already thinking about it. The possibilities are endless.
All right, so it says if you want the whole number size instead of decimals for crisp pixels, say the word and I'll round them. Let's round them. So yeah, it just went in and really quickly changed those. Look, this is like the actual code snippet that it changed. So the draw width, it changed it to 35, and that draw height, it changed it to 53. So now when we go in, we'll just refresh it. Now the bird's slightly bigger. And like, we didn't have to do anything to do it. Obviously, it's 10 times harder with 10% bigger bird. So what do you think this should be called on the Neelan Solutions website?
Ooh.
Because it's going to have its own subdomain. I'm going to host it on uh, on a website called Railway, and it'll just be there
Smoky Bird.
for anyone to build it. Smoky Bird, smokybird.nealandsolutions.com. That works. Well, dude, thanks for doing this with me.
Yeah, thank you.
Let's do it again
This was good.
soon, and why don't we do like an actual work task for you next time so that you can learn how to automate your job better. Or we can do like a demo data analytics project if you want, and we can even have like you can use our credits for these apps and stuff, and you can do it firsthand, and I'll just walk you through it.
Oh yeah, that'd be perfect.
That would be awesome. Well, dude, yeah, thanks so much. Let me see. When I've been getting onto calls with, or I've been recording little videos for Blake just to tell him, like, update him on progress for something, and I'd say, "Yo, yo, yo, welcome to Big Pat Nation." And I wish I could talk like that, but no, I don't. I don't think I do. I can't. But it's pretty silly. Well, cool. Thanks for doing this with me. And that is what vibe coding is. It can do basically anything. The better you are at something, I think the better you can vibe code it. So if we were already good video game developers, maybe we could do an even better job. But with this sort of thing, it can do it. It can do it well. So yeah, let me get you on full
Perfect.
screen. All right. Do you have a preference for next time? Let's see. We've got Flappy Bird was this time, data analytics, or you pick a custom project at work and we just try to do it.
Okay,
Which one do you want?
let's do let's do data analytics actually.
All right, then we'll find a demo project. You think of a demo project, like do a Google search or a ChatGPT. Like, hey, I wanna get into data analytics. What should my first project be that kind of is challenging? It would be a stretch to be able to do it. And then email me, and I guess we don't have to do any prep for it. Like, that's the fun part about being live. But yeah, I'll add this to nealandsolutions.com, and you can play anytime you'd like. I know that you'll be waking up thinking, man, that game was awesome. I really like the ostrich, and I really like the Wilhelm
Honestly,
scream.
that's okay. I've been missing it.
What's exciting is that there are no ads on this. There's no ads.
Also very true.
There's no junk, You just get to go straight to it. So yeah, thanks for doing this with me. We should get your ticket to go to the Grand Canyon this week.
Okay, yes.
So, all right, I love you. I'll talk to you later.
Love you too.
Bye.
Sounds good. Bye.
All right, this was building Flappy Bird with someone who's never done it before. I hope you enjoyed it. You can check out what I do. I audit I audit businesses. And give them a roadmap for how to incorporate AI into their operations. So if you're interested, just go ahead and check out our website, nealandsolutions.com, and we can help you incorporate automations into your business. We did something fun tonight because that's what's fun to do on a weekday night instead of always just doing some workflow automation for a project manager or something like that. This is a little bit more fun. Hope you liked it. Let me know what you'd like to see next. And if you're a business owner, we're going to start doing these live streams for specific business owners. So if you have an automation that you'd like to do at your job, you can DM me and you might get chosen to for us to do a live stream like this together. We can hop on together and, you just send me a little bit of information about your project and we'll automate your job. We'll vibe code something for your job on the spot and I'll share it with you and you'll have access to it. So, thanks. Bye.